So my project looks into the development of C. elegans and if melatonin can speed up the growth process. First, looking at the diagram on the left, which is the life cycle of C. elegans. After the egg is hatched, the worm goes into daughter stage, which is the hibernative stage when the environmental conditions is not favorable for growth. For the organism to leave daughter stage, it may take up to a few weeks, which the fluorescent latex beads act as an identifier. The diagram on the top right shows the beads under the fluorescent microscopy, with the red and green beads being the same size in diameter, which is 2 micrometers. Both colors appear very clear and are easily spotted, but the diameter of the beads may be too big for the small worms to ingest. The beads are used for us to see if the organism has left the hibernative stage and monitor how long the organism stays in dire under conditions where they are exposed to different levels of melatonin. By mixing the beads with the OP50 food and placing it in the middle of the petri dish, the worms that ingest the beads are those that have left daughter stage, because those who are still in daughter would not ingest in any food. And the diagram on the bottom shows how the C. elegans should look like under a microscopy. The green fluorescent latex beads are present around the center of the body of the C. elegans because that's where the digestive tracts are. And um, it shows that this C. elegans has left the hibernative stage because it starts to eat the food. In my actual experiment, both the red and the green beads can be used, but as mentioned earlier, a smaller size beads will be more beneficial as the small worms can ingest in the beads and it will be more accurate.